the latest version of Morse app. It's now being called Morse Mac. For anyone who hasn't seen it before, what it does is it takes text from either a website or you can put it in here, and it will convert it to Morse code. And each letter is then assigned to a MIDI note, which can be randomized through randomized mapping, and it can also adhere to different scales, so harmonic minor, major, melodic minor, and various exotic scales. I always like half whole diminished. And then rather than before, what it was doing was outputting via the IAC MIDI driver or any other MIDI port. But what I've built here, the ticker is just for a visual display, is I built an audio unit host. And at the moment, it's not very sophisticated, or like it's got all of the audio units. I'll fix that over time. And it's going to sound pretty pedestrian to begin with. I will make it a little bit more complex over time, put a mixer engine in and whatever, and you'll be able to do some more interesting things. But here's just a single synth voice playing test, 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 test. So yeah, let me see, we'll go with it now. If I randomize mappings, okay, so there. If I then put something else in here, randomize the mappings. So at the moment it's all pretty pedestrian, but you know, if I can find a more interesting sound, like something that'd be like strings or whatever, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I have to load it. So there we go. So you can see that it's actually pulling a different effects audio unit with some built-in effects. What I need to do now is get this editor to work because it's not working yet. But this is a sort of proof of concept thing, you know, very much in alpha, pre-alpha really. But yeah, it's developing. What I want is for this app to be self-contained, so you don't have to use it with Logic or another audio unit or VST host. But I don't want to have to build a DAW. So what I'm going to need to do is come up with a couple of voices, a little rudimentary mixer engine, an ability to host some other plugins. Beyond that, if you need more than that, then you can still output via the IIC bus and use it with a DAW. But to get this as self-contained as possible for some of the compositions I write that use data in this way, yeah, this will do it. So yeah, it's been a bit of a monster effort to get it to this point, but I'm pretty pleased.